Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky, as you all know, and you're welcome to Farm with Vicky. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we give the birds multivitamin. So this is what we are going to be giving the birds this morning. So that is the multivitamin. We pour it inside. We bought the very big one. So we now pour it inside that rubber because the one at the farm are using it. We just take small out of it to come and feed these ones, to come and give this one out of it. So guys, you are just going to give them two cover of that rubber. So that one is okay for them. So we've already mix it. So the next thing now is to take care of their feet, remove all the dirties inside. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I don't know if what I'm doing doesn't make sense or not. I don't know. So guys, it's you guys that will know, that will encourage me more to post more about this by liking my video, by subscribing to my channel, and by sharing my video to many people. You understand? So with that, I will know that what I'm doing is not nonsense and I'm doing great. Yeah, so guys, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post any video you can get notified. Okay, please do that for me, I beg. So let's go guys. We are giving them this after any vaccine, so which is lasuta, but multivitamin. After any drugs, the next thing is to give them multivitamin after any strong effective drugs. So that is how we do it here. You give them multivitamin after they finish it. That's how we do it here. So now we are washing the drinkers. We only bring out the other room drinker, which is 4. I told you guys we are using just 4 drinker for them for now. So the birds are currently 2 weeks. They are going to 3 weeks. So guys, I'm going to be posting the best medication for them when they are 3 weeks also, because I've already dropped one of 2 weeks already on this channel. So we are done with the other room. The next thing now is to bring out to enter the other room, another room, and bring out all their drinkers to wash and to refill it with multivitamin water. As you can see, the birds are already growing. They are already flying up and down. Transform from this to the point of flea. I'm going to show you guys step by step on the journey. So that guys, we are washing the drinkers already. Okay. Already putting in the water. It's not easy, but if you devoted your time and you know that this is what you want to do, we are going to do it perfectly. Just the way we are doing us. So please, it's a lucrative business that we are going to gain a lot from. Just trust the process and see what will happen. You can see how they are rushing the water. Just make sure you are giving your best enough water so that they not get dehydrated too much. So guys, this is all. So we're going to, you can see how dirty the feed is. Just have to do it like this and remove all the dirties, all the sawdust that is inside it, and remove it one after the other to make it clean for them to eat. This is what we know how to do, and that is why we are doing it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we post any video, you can get notified. And please don't forget to share our video to people that you know they might be interested in this kind of business. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe once more. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, subscribe, share, and like. Drop your comments. Love you guys and see you all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.